On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut on PC or Mac. So here, I'm using a Windows PC, but if you're on Mac, you can also follow these steps right here to download CapCut. First, you can just open your browser and then head to the CapCut.com and you'll see this page. So what you need to do is just tap on download, tap on this, and then after that, you can see the download in here. You can see the CapCut installer. You can just open in your file library, and then after that you can just double click on it to install the CapCut PC. You can just double click and in here to click on yes to allow the app to make changes to your device or install the app. And after that you can just wait until the installing process is finished. And after the installing process is finished, you can see the CapCut will automatically create a shortcut on your desktop, and you can just double click on it to launch the CapCut app. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can download and install CapCut on PC or Mac. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.